Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press at this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, click Add Device, or if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So press on it. In this window, we need to select Bluetooth. Now we can open the case, and your earbud should be inside the case. So also inside the case we have a connection button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light near to it start blinking white and blue. So press and hold. Here we go. And now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. And right here we have them. So tap at your earbuds and then click Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!